Hello everyone. Now here you need to just roll your hair further, get it beautifully tangled in this way, to roll them and get it pinned in this manner to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. Now here you need to do it in this manner and get them beautifully secured, rolling them up in this way to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. You need to pin them up in this manner to make it look beautiful and pretty. Isn't it cool enough? Now here you need to just secure the pieces like this. Partition it in this manner and then you need to just secure them beautifully and get it attached in this way. This is cool enough. And now here we need to just secure the hair like this. Get the braids in this manner, a thin one, and then you're gonna do the partition and then split them apart in this way. And this bow is gonna look damn pretty and cool. You make a bun like this and then secure them with the help of these clutches and all. Now here, what are we gonna do? You have to just get the hair, roll them further in this way, and then get a beautiful lovely partition. You need to join them together and get it beautifully secured in this manner. Isn't it beautiful? And then you need to get it secured like this, get it beautifully done up in this manner, and then you roll them together in this way, and then you need to join them and get a lovely bun made. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now here, what are you going to do? You have to secure the hair like this. And then you just make the braids in this manner. And further, you need to just do it in this way to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. Thank you guys for watching.